Here I have MGMS6 and let me show you how to program the star custom buttons on the steering wheel on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then all we need to do is find the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now let's use the upper menu and let's switch from driving control to the third tab, which is the convenience. So now let me scroll down. Let's scroll down far enough to find the custom steering wheel button, as you can see. So your steering wheel has custom blank shortcut buttons marked with a solid star and an outline star. This menu lets you choose exactly what those buttons do. For example, let's customize the first one. As you can see, you can customize it and assign here a function for open the vehicle, features, climate control, regenerative braking, driver mode, 360 camera, or SRC. So let me choose, for example, here the climate control, and let's customize the second one. And here let me switch from driving mode, for example, to regenerative braking. So that's it. Now let me just press one button, and as you can see, I will open the following climate control. Now let me press the second one, and I can open the regenerative braking menu. So it's quite nice that you can customize two buttons. In most cases, in most cars, you've got only one button to customize. Here you've got more possibilities with two. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.